it's your girl Patience Ekle. It's my fun time again. Remember I told you that cooking is fun for me, and today I'll show you how to make pancake. Some people call it diet. So do you know how to make pancake before now? Today you see my own method. I'll be showing you my ingredients as you can see them on this table. The number one ingredient here is flour. We have our egg here, we have our pepper here, we have our onion here, we have our carrots here. But this carrot is optional. If you like, you can add carrots. If you don't like, you can forget about it. Okay, we have powdered milk here, we have sugar here, we have salt here. So these are ingredients. You can go ahead to add other things, but right now these are the things that we'll be using. All right, let's get started.
I bet you cannot do it. Prove me wrong by doing it.
You know that I can do it, baby. Don't worry, I can do it.
Prove me wrong.
All right, let's watch out.
We are going to bet $20. If you do it
$20 is too small.
Okay, let's make it
$1,000.
$1,000.
Yeah, baby.
So you do it. You don't do it $1,000 for me. You do it $1,000.
I got it, baby. Okay, these are the processes. This is our bowl. Okay, then the first item we'll carry here is the flour. You pour the flour into your bowl. Okay, make sure you have your spoon. This is just 2 cups of flour. All right, we have our salt here. I'm going to be adding like a pinch of salt. You see the quantity of my salt? Can you see? Yeah. Okay, that's our sugar. Put it inside. This is our powdered milk. You can decide to use liquid milk. So powdered milk. All right. The next thing is I'm going to be stirring all the dried ingredients together. Okay. And after stirring, I'll add water. All right. After adding water, you continue to stir and ensure that it is well smoothened. I'm done mixing both the flour, sugar, milk, and salt together. As you can see, it's well smoothened. So the next thing I'm going to be adding our egg. All right, I'm using 2 eggs. If you like egg a lot, you can add more than 2. You can decide. The next thing, I'm going to be pouring our pepper. Okay. I'll be adding our onion. I just like seeing things very beautiful. So I want to make it beautiful in the bowl before I stir everything together. Don't mind me. And these are carrots, you remember? That's our carrot. I'm going to show you how the bowl is looking like inside. Can you see how it is inside the bowl? So right now I'll be stirring everything together. Yeah, watch me while I do that. After you're done stirring, if it's still thick, you add water, the quantity of water, just the way you want it, just the way you love it. See who is passing. Don't worry, it will soon be ready.
I concur.
All right. Okay, I'm done stirring everything. Okay, let me put on the fire. Let's fry right away. All right, we are about to fry our pancake. Remember, we are done with all the mixing and everything we get now. Let me pick my oil. Okay, this is our groundnut oil, and then we have our empty frying pan on the fire. All right, so fry right away. See, fire is here. The frying pan is already hot. I'll be adding oil into the frying pan. All right. All right. You know the quantity of oil you use in frying your egg? Very little. Can you see? That's the quantity of oil you use in frying your pancake. Yeah. All right, let's go. Our oil is very, very hot. Okay. This is our pancake. Okay. We are frying the pancake already. Hope you can see. I'll add another spoon. Just the way you fry your egg. That's our pancake, alright? Don't worry. It will come out very well. If the heat is too much, you put it off. Alright? So it doesn't get burnt. Just the way you fry your egg. Can you see it? Let our pancake not get burnt, guys. Mind me, our pancake is ready. We'll move straight to the next one by adding a little oil into the frying pan again. Yeah. And remember, the frying pan is already very hot, so the oil is hot as well. We are pouring it in. Alright guys, our pancake and custard is ready. Alright, you can decide to take yours with pap or anything. Alright, but right now we'll be taking it with custard. And guess who's going to test it? I'll win my $1,000 because I know it's yummy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, baby.
So let's try. This is like bomb.
Not pomon. There's egg, there's milk.
It's like I'm cutting bomb. But let me
No.
Let me see how it is.
I know you Simon. Next time you don't bet with your wife.
Let's make it 20,000 naira.
Bam. So guys, I have to test it myself too. I already know it's delicious. Yeah. It's very delicious. Very. Especially when you take it with custard. Yeah, taste it, honey. So nice. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. This is how to make pancake. Just try it. I know you will love it. Okay? From here, it's bye. From the chickens.